How's it going, guys? It's LJ Acrylics, and today we're going to be doing a video on how I mix my paint with pouring medium, water, and silicone oil. So to start off, my preference for this video is Liquitex pouring medium. I know there's multiple different pouring mediums out there, such as Floetrol, but just to keep it consistent and not convolute anything, we'll just stick with Liquitex. So basically for my ratio, what I do is I make sure I have 4 parts of pouring medium, 2 parts of paint, whether it be Arteza paint or Liquitex paint, whichever you prefer, and about 1 to 1.5 parts of water. On top of that, I also include silicone oil, about 2 to 3 drops. Now in this video, you're going to see that I made a little slight error where I forgot to put the silicone oil, but I make that correction afterwards. Later on in the video, you'll notice that for the gold paint and the burnt sienna paint, I haven't made that mistake. So if you keep watching, you'll see that how it's properly done. Now this is the mistake I made. So I started shaking the bottle after I closed it, but I totally forgot to put the silicone oil. So in a little bit you'll see that I actually had to reopen it, put a couple of drops of silicone oil, and then shake it up again. So instead of using like a simple plastic cup to mix my paint, I do something a little bit differently that works for me. You don't have to do this. You can always do the cup method, but for me, I prefer the bottle method where you can just shake and mix your paint. After I put everything in the bottle, I always try to aim for 20 to 25% of space. That way, whenever I always shake the bottle, it mixes the paint and the pouring medium and the water and all the stuff that I put evenly. So once I squeeze out and use the actual paint, it comes out more fluid instead of chunks. So first I poured in my Liquitex pouring medium for 4 parts, and then I squeezed my silver paint, which was about 2 parts, and I tried to get exactly 2 parts, no more nor less. And then I finished it off by putting my water. This is the end of my video on how I mix my paint with Liquitex pouring medium. On my next video, I'll definitely touch base on how I pour my paint onto canvases, so I hope you guys are going to be looking forward to that. Feel free to leave a comment down below for any questions or concerns on how I mix paint or any future suggestions on what I should do. I will definitely keep posting my usual every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Also, feel free to like and subscribe to my wife and I's channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified for future content. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you on our next video.